Hello students. In previous video we have started our lesson number 13, Columbus Discovers America part 2. Now today we are doing the exercise of that lesson. First is read and learn. You have to read all these words and learn it. Now read with me. Admire, gratitude, interior, realize, fortunate, deck, warmth, carve. Admire, gratitude, interior, realize, fortunate, deck, warmth, carve. Now from word power students, match the words given under A with clues given under B. You have to match these words with these words. Now from A, the first one is deck. Deck means a floor of a ship. Candle means a round stick of wax with a wick on it. Pension, this is given to a man who has retired. Cross, this one is a noun form. Jesus Christ died on this. Royal, relating to a king or queen. And Almighty, God. Here students, you number it and write the answer in front of the words like deck, floor of ship, candle, a round stick of wax with a wick on it, pension. This is given to a man who has retired. Cross. Jesus Christ died on this. Royal, relating to a king or a queen. And Almighty, God. Next, fill in the blanks with the words given. Here there are some words given to you. So with the help of these words, you have to fill all these blanks. First one is both Gandhi ji and Jawaharlal Nehru had great affection for children and loved to be in their company. Carrying an electric torch, I entered the dark cave and explored its interior. If you go to Mahabalipuram near Chennai, don't fail to see the 5 stone chariots called the chariots of the Pandavas. Each of these has been carved out of a single stone. When a ship comes to a port, the sailors go on the shore for some time. Professor Das is young, handsome and intelligent. All his students admire him greatly. The headmaster of our school lives in a house close to the school. The children who were digging the ground for fun came upon a pot full of gold and silver coins. From comprehension students, question number 3rd A is fill in the blanks with the words given below. Here there are some words given to you and with the help of these words you have to fill all these blanks. Now, Columbus was the admiral of the ships sailing in search of a sea route to India. They had been sailing for months, but they were unable to see any land. On 11th October, the crew recovered from the sea the top of a table and a carved stick. At night, they could see a light which went up and down like a candle. There was no doubt that the light was from land. Some of the crew had made plans against Columbus. Now, when they came to land, they asked his forgiveness. Columbus forgave them and spoke to them with warmth and affection. For more than 2 months, Columbus explored the sea around and then he came upon some islands. He called them the Indies. So here we complete the first question of comprehension. So you have to fill these blanks in your book.